Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. Today we were designing alarm system using the following components: Arduino Uno PIR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, keypad, 4x4 keypad, servo motor, 5 volts relay, LCD display 16x2, buzzer, I2C module, LED, 3 LEDs and a light bulb. This is the block diagram of our project, whereby PIR sensor, ultrasonic sensor and keypad will be our inputs. Servo motor, relay to light bulb, LEDs, I2C module to LCD, and the buzzer will be our outputs. This is the schematic diagram of our project. Here's the LCD, here's the I2C module, the Arduino board, LEDs, a buzzer, 4x4 keypad, PIR sensor, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, 5 volts relay, light bulb, and our AC supply. Here's our flow diagram of the whole project. We start by declaring and initializing the pins. As we mentioned, 2 sensors and the keypad will be our inputs, and LED, LCD, buzzer, and light bulb will be our output, and the results will be shown on the LCD. Ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance. Anything about 45 centimeter, nothing will happen. And if there is an object from 45 centimeter to 30 centimeter, only green LED will go on. Between 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter, only yellow LED will go on. Between 15 and 5 centimeter. This is our complete project, and to activate the alarm here, we have to press A. Now alarm is active. If the ultrasonic sensor measures something above 45 degrees, it will display here out of range and no LED will go on. So let's check the distance. Within 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters, green LED will go on and the message will be displayed here: object detected, and the distance will also be detected by how much. Anything from 30 to 15 centimeter, yellow LED will go on and it will say here object halfway. Anything from 15 centimeter to 5 centimeter, it will say object too close and by how much, and then here blue, green, now red LED will go on. As the object come close by 5 degrees 5 centimeter, the alarm will go on and the password will be required here. So let's enter the password. The correct one is 1 2 3 4, but I'll say 1 2 3 5 and check what will go on. It will say here wrong, try again. So let's enter the correct one, 1 2 3 4, and see what happens. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, we saw what happened. The server opened the door and the message was displayed welcome. And once you go in, there's a PIR sensor, the motion sensor. It will detect the motion. If there's motion, the light bulb will go on, and after some time, if there is no motion, the light bulb will go off. This is a very good project for saving energy. When there is no one in the house, it switches off, and when there is someone, the light switches on. Thank you very much.